Okay, so it's time for us to add the notes models inside the admin panel. So let's see how we can do that one. So what we're going to do is going to get to the VS Code, and then inside the notes app folder, we're going to go to admin.py. And the first thing, what we're going to do is we're going to import the model. So we're going to say from dot import models. Okay, and then we're going to create a class. So we're going to say class notes admin, and inside that we're going to say admin dot model admin, and then we're going to pass for now. Okay, and below this what we're going to do is we're going to add admin dot site dot register, and then we're going to register the models dot notes. Okay, and then we're going to register the notes admin too. So we're going to say notes admin. Okay, so save that. Now we can go back to your browser, and inside the admin panel just log in and then hit refresh. Now you can see that we have notes app registered. So if I open this up, and then if I just create a new note, let's create that one. I'm going to say first note, and then here I'm going to add in some hello world. This is a new note app note, and just click on save. Notice what happens here. As soon as I create a new note, it says notes object. It doesn't say the name. So let's see how we can add the details here. So I'm going to get back to my VS Code, and instead of just specifying this as pass, what we can do here is we're going to say list display. Okay, and inside that list display we're going to add actually this one. So we're going to add a title. Okay, save that. Let's get back to the browser and now hit refresh. And I can see our title showing up in the admin panel of the notes.